Today is a really exciting day because today we're going to Calshot Velodrome. Me and Jack were about to go head out and see how it's done, or get taught how it's done, so let's do it. So we are here in the Calshot Velodrome. Check it out. Hot damn. We're just taking a little rest. We've been cycling for about an hour and a half now. We have a little rest and then we're going to go back. We've been learning all about the lines. You see it? You got the black line, the red line, the blue line. It is awesome. Really enjoying myself. Here's Jack.
Loving life.
What would you say at this point is the highlight right now?
The break.
Hey, this is like, are you filming?
Yeah.
This is like cross vlogging.
We might make a paradox.
Yeah. Jack, you jump in, see if you go to a different universe. Oh no, we're
crossing swords.
triple vlogging. We've created a Triforce symbol. Ooh.
David! Meet you down here.
What's up guys, it's my bike check, Velodrome. We've got an extra small Dolan precursor. We've got your Alpina forks. We've got a 3T.
It's Alpina.
Alpina,
Yeah.
sorry. We've got an Alpina. What did I say? Alpina? Whatever it is. We got a 3T stem. 3T. Nice high-end technology. Got a 3T drop bars to go on the drop bars. We've got your mangled San Marco seat. Look at the angle on that. We've got the pista Alpina, is it? Alpina seat post. Sagino cranks. 86 tooth chain ring with a free cog on the back.
It's a
fixed hub. Look, you have the ability. These are is it Nito? No.